Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Elder Abuse Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with elder abuse in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your elder abuse charge. Contact one of our Missouri Elder Abuse Defense Lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all elder abuse defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our elder abuse defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Elder abuse defense lawyers in Missouri. Being charged with elder abuse can leave you facing serious penalties, including substantial fines and prison time. The skilled team of Missouri elder abuse lawyers at Combs Waterkotte can help you understand your rights and put up an aggressive defense that addresses all of the charges you're facing. Understanding elder abuse in Missouri. Missouri clearly defines elder abuse as actions that cause substantial emotional distress to an elderly person, that knowingly risk an elderly person's health or life, or that intentionally deprive an elderly person of the goods or services they need. The state defines those 60 or older as elderly. The crime of elder abuse can include physical, emotional, and financial abuse, as well as exploitation, abandonment, and neglect. The latter action refers to caretakers not offering the food, shelter, or medical care someone who is elderly requires. Missouri recognizes 3 degrees of elder abuse. First degree involves causing serious physical injury. This is a Class A felony, which can mean between 10 years and life in prison, if convicted. Second degree elder abuse refers to recklessly or intentionally causing serious physical pain or suffering. It's a Class B felony, which can mean between 5 and 15 years in prison, along with steep fines. You can be charged with third-degree elder abuse if you cause pain or suffering through criminal negligence or knowingly act in a way that creates risk for the person. This offense is a Class A misdemeanor that carries a potential penalty of up to 1 year in jail. Being charged with financial exploitation can come with additional penalties, depending on the amount of money involved. A criminal conviction will go on your record as well, which could impact your life in a number of ways. For instance, a criminal record might prevent you from working in certain fields, cause you to lose certain professional licenses, and make you unable to rent a property. You could lose your right to own a gun and face immigration problems if you're not a citizen, along with suffering the social stigma of having a criminal record. Possible defenses for elder abuse charges in Missouri. If you've been accused of elder abuse, it's critical to hire an experienced Missouri criminal defense lawyer to represent you. Being convicted can do irreparable harm to your life, so presenting a strong defense from the start is the best option. We know clients in this position need tailored representation, and that's precisely what we offer. There are several elder abuse criminal defense strategies we can rely on, depending on your unique circumstances. Lack of intent. In many elder abuse cases, it's necessary for prosecutors to prove that there was an intent to cause harm. If the alleged actions were accidental or carried no ill intent, that could be used as a defense. Demonstrating that you didn't mean to cause harm might not eliminate your liability, but it can significantly reduce the charges or repercussions you face. False accusations. Being falsely accused of elder abuse is a distinct possibility. Such charges can come about due to misunderstandings or during emotionally charged situations, similar to domestic violence charges. With a knowledgeable attorney helping you, it's possible to uncover inconsistencies or exaggerations in the accounts of those who are accusing you of abuse. Your lawyer can also gather evidence showing that the events described didn't occur the way the accuser claims. Insufficient evidence. As with other criminal cases, the prosecution must prove that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. If the evidence is scant or flimsy, it might not be enough to meet this legal threshold. We'll assess all of the evidence against you and call it into question. We'll also look closely at how it was obtained. If police officers didn't have warrants or overstepped their bounds in any other way, when gathering evidence, it may be possible to get it thrown out. Mistaken identity. In some cases, the most effective defense is to show that it could have been someone else who committed the alleged crime. We use mistaken identity defenses often when crafting defenses for violent crimes if we have an alibi proving that the defendant was somewhere else when the offense took place. If we believe another person was responsible for the crime, we'll perform a thorough investigation to clear your name. Consent. If you've been accused of financial exploitation, we may also be able to use a defense of consent. For example, it's possible that the person gave you permission to manage some financial tasks for them and didn't remember doing so. Benefits of working with Combs Waterkotte. Partnering with our trusted team gives you experienced, aggressive, and compassionate legal support when you need it most. 40-plus years of criminal defense experience. Deep understanding of Missouri criminal law. Custom defense strategies for every case. Compassionate, client-focused guidance. Free, confidential consultations. 24/7 access to experienced attorneys. Aggressive, thorough case investigations. Trusting experienced Missouri elder abuse lawyers. Fighting a criminal case requires experienced legal representation. The skilled attorneys at Combs Waterkotte have managed more than 10,000 cases throughout Missouri, including elder abuse accusations. Our knowledge in this area of criminal law enables us to understand the nuances of your case and present the most effective defense. One of the main factors that makes us a standout firm is that we understand how the prosecution thinks. That makes it possible to anticipate issues and address them preemptively. The importance of choosing representation with extensive resources in Missouri. To offer a viable defense strategy, the attorney you work with must have an extensive network of contacts throughout the state, as well as the resources necessary to investigate your case thoroughly. At Combs Waterkotte, we have contacts in a wide variety of fields, allowing us to secure testimony from expert witnesses while also pursuing independent evidence investigations. We don't restrict our services to large cities. We can offer the same quality representation no matter where in Missouri you reside. To provide the ongoing support each of our clients needs and deserves, we have 5 full-time staff members who assist with documentation, logistics, and communication. No matter what time of day or night you contact us, you'll reach someone who can address your concerns. Contact Combs Waterkotte for aggressive defense strategies in Missouri. Our trial-ready attorneys know how to prepare formidable defenses for our clients, knowing full well that being convicted of elder abuse can mean facing fines, prison time, and serious consequences to your career, relationships, and everyday life. We'll work tirelessly to help you avoid the most serious penalties. We've achieved not guilty verdicts in criminal cases of all kinds, so we don't shy away from those that are complex or seemingly insurmountable. Don't hesitate to contact our team to get the guidance and support you need during this trying time. Contact our Missouri elder abuse lawyers online or call 314-900-HELP for a free consultation.